Welcome students. Today our topic is the deviation from Mendel's law. Deviation from Mendel's law means whatever the Mendel's gives the laws, they are not applicable to each and every living organism. Some restrictions will be there, and we know that what Mendel had found that every trait or character are controlled by the two genes or two alleles or two forms of the genes which are known as the allele. Out of these two alleles, one is dominant and the other is recessive always, okay. And third is what, for the genes or the factor for a given trait are sought independently as they are present on the different chromosomes. This is based on the studies done on the pea plant, but later on we come to know that many genes are present on the same chromosome, and this leads to the deviation from the Mendel's law, means some changes takes place in the Mendel's law. Now, 1866, I think so, Mendel died, and till then his work was not published anywhere. Nobody knows about the Mendel's finding. But in 1900, three different scientists from different countries, they worked separately on the Mendel's experiment and his findings, and they give the same result. And with that, they will also stated that Mendel law is not applicable each and everywhere. They observed that the phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by the other gene. And this gene interaction is of two types, that is the intragenic interaction and intergenic interaction. Intragenic interaction is what? That is the interaction between the two alleles of the same gene controlling the same character. Intra, between the same. Okay, in this we will study about the incomplete dominance, codominance and the multiple alleles. Intergenic interaction is what? It is the interaction between the two different genes controlling the same character, which are present on the same or the different chromosome. This is what this is, and in this we will study about the pleiotropy, where the one gene control the two different characters. So now we will start with our next topic, that is the codominance.